VEED versus Clipchamp usage experience. In this video, I'll be comparing two popular online video editing tools, VEED and Clipchamp. Both of these platforms are designed to make video editing accessible for everyone, but they each have unique features and target different users. Links to both products are included in the description below, so you can check them out yourself. Let's dive right into the comparison. VEED is a browser-based video editor that's focused on simplicity and ease of use. It's perfect for users who want to create videos quickly without getting bogged down by complex software. VEED's core features include trimming, adding subtitles, filters, text, and audio to your videos. It also offers tools for creating social media content, video ads, and promotional material. Its interface is clean, intuitive, and ideal for beginners or content creators looking to edit on the go. One of VEED's standout features is its cloud-based collaboration, which allows teams to work on videos together. The free version offers essential features, while the paid plans unlock more advanced options, like longer video length and additional export formats. Clipchamp, on the other hand, is also an online video editor with a focus on ease of use. It's a bit more robust compared to VEED when it comes to editing features. Clipchamp offers features like multi-clip editing, stock footage, transitions, and customizable text animations. It's a great option for users who want more flexibility in terms of editing options without needing to learn advanced software. Clipchamp also has a wide range of templates, making it ideal for creating professional quality videos quickly. Its integration with Microsoft adds value, especially for users within the Windows ecosystem. Clipchamp's free version comes with basic features, while its premium options unlock more assets and functionalities. When it comes to pricing, VEED operates on a freemium model, while Clipchamp offers a subscription plan with more advanced editing tools and stock content. Both platforms are competitive in their pricing, with Clipchamp having a slightly higher barrier for premium features. In conclusion, if you're looking for a simple, quick video editor for social media or short videos, VEED is a great option. However, if you need more advanced editing features, templates, and stock content, Clipchamp might be the better fit. Check out the links in the description below to start using either platform today.